What's up guys, it's your favorite Pick Instant back with another cool video for all of us. Today's video is on the top 5 best zero-gravity chairs. It may be challenging to identify the most cost-effective products when purchasing various goods. I narrowed down hundreds of products based on a few standards and ranked them in this video to make your decision easier. These are just some of my favorite items that I use on a regular basis. So sit back and relax while I tell you about these amazing pieces of products. Please do check the product link in the description box below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So without any delay, let's get started. Number 5. FR Massage Chair. Our top choice is the FR 9K Massage Chair, a high-end piece that does the job of a massage chair thrice the price. If you're not keen to spend up to $9,000 on a massage chair, but still want one with all the bells and whistles of premium models, this chair is a great choice for you. Featuring back massaging 3D rollers that allow blood to circulate the area for a more therapeutic massage and a tremendous warm-up, the FR 9K comes complete with a heated back cushion and a heated calf area, something that is quite rare in a chair in this price range. The longer L-track for full buttocks and hamstring massage and the head massage make this chair stand out from many other models out there, and users raved about how this model doesn't overinflate to hurt your head like other chairs do, especially those that are donut-shaped. Besides its excellent massage and heating features, this chair also comes with some of the best controls you'll find on the market. These include an intuitive remote control made from soft-touch rubber and featuring a comprehensive menu that even lets you answer your phone from the comfort of the chair, once you have set up the Bluetooth connection. The FR 9K sports 6 adjustment levels for your legs and feet, so you can position them to suit your preferences instead of having to choose between having them completely up or down. The infrared heating option helps to heat up your muscles to loosen them before you start in on the massage. Finally, users have loved that fact that this chair comes with audio speakers, so you can listen to your favorite tunes while enjoying your massage. Number 4. Zero Gravity Massage Chair. The Forever Rest Zero Gravity Massage Chair, which may also be referred to as the ideal SL-Track Shiatsu massage chair, is thoughtfully built to eliminate your everyday stress with the relaxing and rich therapeutic massage. This full-body massage recliner features a whopping 10 auto massage programs, including Activate, Swedish, Recovery, Relaxation, Full Back, Buttocks, Lower Back, Upper Back, Stretch, and Swing Sleep that you can joyfully select from. It also boasts sliding technology, has a true zero-gravity position, and delivers an amazing foot massage with its airbag massage system and new foot rolling. While this massage chair is available in 3 different colors, beige black, and dark brown, you'll also be pleased to know that it's got space-saving technology, built-in heat for your sore back, and a tailored massage experience with an automated body scan. You cannot afford to ignore this Forever Rest zero-gravity massage chair if you've always been keen on getting a versatile chair apt for different sets of people. While some massage chairs are specially designed for certain people, this zero-gravity massage chair works excellently for both the old and young. We highly recommend it too for those who need a quality massage chair recliner but are not willing to spend several thousand over that. Number 3. Relaxin' Chair MK. An entry-level zero-gravity chair, the Relaxin' Chair MK2 Plus is surprisingly comfortable for its price range, while still giving you access to basic therapeutic benefits. If you're a fan of automation, you'll be pleased to note that this chair comes with 3D body scanning technology to scan your back and make custom adjustments on the rollers so that they hit the right pressure points on your back. This is a feature that is often found in more expensive models, and even though users have mentioned that it misses the mark occasionally, it's still a very useful addition to the chair. The Relaxin' Chair MK2 Plus is one of the few chairs on the market that has a deep tissue massage function, which works wonders if you suffer from chronic back pain, because of the intensity of the massage you get when the chair is set on the strongest setting. Users mentioned that the strongest setting may be a bit too much for casual use, but those who suffer from back pain will certainly appreciate it. Just like you would expect from an entry-level chair, the Relaxin' Chair MK2 Plus comes with a rather limited number of options, which include the above-mentioned deep tissue, as well as rejuvenate, stretch and relaxation functions. It comes with a remote control from where you can access 5 additional massage functions targeting various parts of the body, which is something useful for those who don't want to go for the full-body massage function every time. The chair has back heat to enhance the massage experience, but unfortunately there's no way to control the temperature. Leg and foot massage are also available, and users have liked that this function provides a good level of relief after spending the day on your feet. Number 2. Human Touch Perfect Chair. For those who are looking for a manual zero-gravity chair, the Human Touch Perfect Chair PC420 is our best choice. Featuring an advanced reclining position, this chair provides you with whole-body relief thanks to the weightless sensation you get on your back and legs. Users praised the elegant design of this premium-looking chair, as well as the ergonomic support and comfort it offers. You can choose to purchase the chair with premium leather or top-grain leather upholstery, and there are multiple colors to select from, so you can easily find something that fits your decor. The adjustable lumbar support of this chair makes it possible to experience a completely relaxing posture. Users love the fact that the support is built in and is easy to set on a low or high position manually. The headrest of the chair is also adjustable, and it comes with a supportive neck pillow for extra ergonomic comfort. Moreover, the wide, extended armrests offer you constant support in all positions. Unlike other zero-gravity chairs that are controlled with the help of a remote control, the Human Touch Perfect Chair PC420 has a recline lever that helps you position your body in a state of virtual weightlessness with a simple movement of the hand. This position has multiple health benefits, including the decompression of the vertebrae to relieve pain and pressure, the improvement of blood flow to the heart because your legs are elevated above the heart, and the expansion of lung capacity, which leads to more relaxed breathing. Number 1. Zero-Gravity Full Body Massage Chair. This zero-gravity chair comes with almost all the massage functions present in more expensive models, which makes it a very good choice for those who are looking for a comfortable chair that can place them in a weightless position and who want to enjoy the occasional massage. Made from quality leather, this chair is soft to touch and has an ergonomic design that would suit just about anyone. The Real Relax chair has a completely ergonomic design that allows you to feel relaxed while massaging. Featuring a built-in heater into the seat and footrest, this chair also comes with 8 massage points inside of the backrest and 50 airbags that offer you a relaxing massage experience from head to toe. The extended footrests and foot roller massage make this chair suitable for taller users and provide you with the deep massage you want at the end of a day you spend entirely on your feet. Moreover, the Bluetooth connection and USB charger that are built in the chair allow you to listen to your favorite music while you enjoy your massage. A music player is also built in, so you don't have to use another device, just connect your phone via USB or Bluetooth and enjoy your favorite tunes. The Real Relax chair has received great reviews from users for its seat massager that includes vibration, as well as heat and air squeeze. The chair is made from artificial leather that is easy to clean while providing you with a soft and comfortable feeling. Finally, an advanced high-definition display screen and dedicated app for controlling the various features and play music transform this chair into a tech piece of furniture. Okay, that's all for today. I hope you liked the video. Please tell us which products you'd like us to review next in the comments section, and don't forget to check out the description box for all the buy links of products featured today. Thank you.